What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in this video it's finally here, the HP Omen 45L gaming PC. I've been waiting probably about a week and a half for this computer, and let's get started. Before we get started though, hit those like and subscribe buttons down below and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop future videos. Okay, without further ado, as you can see, it's quite huge here. It's quite heavy. It was even heavy for the FedEx men to bring up, but I'm going to take it out this packaging right here because it's kind of big and heavy. So I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back. So I finally unboxed the HP 45L, Omen 45L, that is. Here is the accessories that came with it. Here's the wired keyboard. Here's the wired mouse. Here's the power connector, the power cable. Here's some documentation right there, and a few accessories, because as much as this PC was that it cost me, it should at least came with a wireless keyboard and wireless mouse. So I got this down here. This is the Clem wireless gaming keyboard. Now this is rechargeable. Here's the recharging cable right here. Some stickers that came with it, some documentation for it, and over here is the RII gaming mouse. This is rechargeable as well. Here's the wireless, the charger cable, the recharging cable right there. Here's some documentation, and that's it, guys. So, let me show you guys the PC before I go. Here it is right here. The reflection is kind of, kind of bad, but I'm going to, and here's the front of it, Omen, and there's the 3 fans in there, and here's the Cyro Chamber. So I'm going to do an in-depth review on this probably Sunday. Got Saturday, I'm going to be busy. Sunday, I might, most likely, I say about 75%, and I'm going to do an in-depth review on this computer. So hit those like and subscribe buttons down below and that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop future videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be on the lookout for that review video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.